Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a delongni magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced it with a water pump. This water pump was installed on 2005, so this thing has around 15 years in the machine. Yeah, it definitely served its purpose. So we replaced it with a new water pump, and now the machine is working perfectly fine. We're gonna do a sharp coffee. Let me put some beans in there because I don't have anything. So be right back. Okay, now I put some beans in there, so we're just gonna cancel that shot and then just redo it again. Then we're gonna test the steamer, and then we're gonna test the hot water and then the steam. Like I say, we just replaced the water pump, so we're just gonna do one short coffee to test it out. We're gonna be grinding at the 2 mark, which is pretty fine for this grind. We're definitely gonna be pushing a little bit the machine. But it's a newer water pump, so you should definitely be able to extract all the coffee without no problems. As you can see, we're having a really rich color coming out of the machine, good water flow, and great crema. As you know, this machine takes around 3 shots of espresso to calibrate, so in order to actually get more crema, you will have to mess around with the grinder settings, making it more coarser or more finer, depending how would you like it to taste. But as you can see, great crema, good color. And now for the hot water, steam. In this case, let me just change it back because I want to do the hot water first. Otherwise, it might be too hot when we do the hot water after doing steam. As you can see, steady stream of the coming out of the machine, good temperature as well, working great. And now the steam, we're gonna test the steam now. It's gonna take a little bit for the machine to build some pressure, but then we're gonna see the steam coming out through here. Putting my pressure in there. Perfect. You can see steaming perfectly, really good temperature, good pressure coming out of the machine. And there you have it, the delongni magnifica working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.